Welcome to this week's Milton Keynes Council COVID-19 update. In the last 2 weeks, 4,761 people have been tested in Milton Keynes, and of those, 107 have been found to be positive with COVID-19. The number of cases is currently 20.8 per 100,000 people in Milton Keynes. That compares to 57.3 in Luton, 41.5 in Bedford, and 19.4 per 100,000 in central Bedfordshire. Our number of cases in Milton Keynes continues to rise, but our figure is lower than in many other places. We are doing well, but we need to continue that. I want to say thank you to everyone. I know it's not easy, but the steps we've taken here really do make a difference. Milton Keynes Council is continuing to give advice to 11 schools in Milton Keynes. This number is down slightly on the last few weeks. Around 2,000 of 40,000 pupils in MK schools have been affected. Schools have been doing their best to make sure their children's learning is disrupted as little as possible. Most schools have only had 1 or 2 positive cases where there has been an issue. The action taken will be different depending on each set of circumstances and on the evidence. Safety will always be our priority. The best way to reduce transmission of the virus is, as ever, very simple. Hands. Wash your hands regularly for at least 20 seconds. Face. Wear a face covering in most indoor public spaces or where social distancing isn't possible. And space. Keep 2 meters apart from people if you can. If you do experience a new continuous cough, a high temperature, or a change of your sense of smell or taste, please isolate and get a test. You can do that online at www.gov.uk or by calling 119. I think we are all now really clear that the difficult issues and restrictions we will face will be with us for some time yet. It will be harder as we head towards winter. It's really important that as well as monitoring your physical symptoms, you look after your mental well-being too. It's not unusual for people to be struggling with restrictions and the odd situation we find ourselves in. It has been more difficult to keep active, relax, and have mental time out. If you want to come up with a personal mental health plan, there are resources there to help you do this, which you can find online at www.nhs.uk. It's also a good time to think about ways you can stay in touch with family or friends if you or they need to stay at home. It's okay to feel a bit worried about the current situation. It's good to share any concerns with people that you trust. Talking to someone might be helping them too. If you can't speak to someone you know, there are ways you can reach out and talk to someone in confidence. People might also have some more serious mental health concerns or be in crisis. If you or someone you know needs urgent mental health support, you can contact Milton Keynes Crisis Line on 0800 0234 650. Thank you to everyone who has stepped forward to be a community champion for Milton Keynes. We're looking for people who are willing to share information about stopping the spread of the virus with their family, friends, and networks. If you sign up to be a COVID-19 champion, we'll send you an update of the latest information every week. It will also have some extra background information about what's going on in Milton Keynes for you to share with those networks. If you'd like to know more, please visit our website or check our social media feeds. I know as we go into winter, we may face some tough times, but by sticking together, we really do help Milton Keynes. Thank you for everything you're doing. It is making a difference. Until next week, please stay safe, thank you, and goodbye.